Hey guys, it's Elkam here with the second video of Python Basics course. On this video, we're going to be working out how to configure PyCharm and also a very simple command in some of the Python syntax. Now, once you've opened PyCharm, this is the page that should come up. As you can see, it's quite simple. It tells you the version you're using and click on Create New Project. Now, the first thing you want to do is, once you're here, as you can see, it takes you on this page and there's location. So now if you click on this, you can put the file anywhere you want to. I made in a folder called Python projects, and let's make a project called class, because since I'm doing this for the class, you can name whatever you want and Python will make a folder. Now click on this project interpreter. Now as you can see, it's quite complicated here, but you don't need to do that much. Just click on base interpreter, and for you it's quite likely it'll show no interpreter, but since you've downloaded Python onto your laptops, it should be an option Python 3.7. double tap that, and as you can see, now you can start coding. Click create, and this should happen, and it should take a little bit of time. It's just creating a virtual environment, and as you can see, here we are on the PyCharm IDE. Now, as you can see, there's this folder here, and since you want to make a Python file, right click on it and click new, hover your mouse over new, Python file. Now, double tap on Python file, or actually search Python file, enter, and as you can see, you made a new Python file. So now, let me go over some of the syntax in Python. So first, let me tell you about a simple command called print. So this is quite a simple command in most languages. It might be another way of saying it, such as in Java, it's system.out.println, and in other languages it ranges. But in Python, the way to say it is actually quite simple. You just type in print, bracket, quotes, the end of the bracket. Now in the middle of the quotes is where you write what you want to print. Keep in mind that in Python, there's no certain way you can start a program or no certain way to end it. And as you can see, you don't have to put in semicolon like you do in Java. So now, once you've done this, you can print something. You can tell the laptop, hey, I want you to do this. Put hello. It's quite a simple thing. And how do you run the program? Right click and click run Python file. As you can see, it prints hello. Now you can also print numbers and literally every single type of thing on Python. Let's say I want to put in a curly brace. As you can see, that's printed. And note that when you type in symbols and numbers, you do not need to put quotations. Put in a 9, no need to put quotations. So that's basically a simple command in Python and some of the syntax. I want you guys in the video to type in how to print hello world, which is quite common when you're doing a new programming language, and post your comments in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in the next video. That was it for today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and click the bell next to the subscribe button to get notified of my next video. Leave your questions in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time.